In Asplundh Manufacturing Division versus Benton Harbor Engineering, we explore whether a lay witness may offer opinion testimony on technical matters. Asplundh Manufacturing Division manufactured aerial lifts that, if mounted on a truck chassis, could be used for tree trimming. An employee of Portland, Oregon, Jeffery Sackerson, was using an Asplundh lift for tree trimming when the lift fractured. Sackerson died. Sackerson's estate sued Asplundh. The parties settled that matter. Asplundh filed a contribution action against Benton Harbor Engineering, which had supplied a hydraulic cylinder used in the lift. Asplundh contended that the hydraulic cylinder's rod end failed due to metal fatigue, thus causing the lift to fracture. Asplundh further contended that the rod end's design caused the metal fatigue. To support its allegations, Asplundh relied on the lay opinion deposition testimony of Michael Jones. Jones worked as Portland's fleet manager at the time of the incident, a position he'd held for over 10 years. After the incident, Jones disassembled the lift and inspected it, concluding that the hydraulic cylinder's rod end had failed due to metal fatigue. Jones further concluded that the rod end failed due to its design. As fleet maintenance supervisor, Jones oversaw the maintenance of more than 1,000 pieces of equipment at multiple repair shops. However, Jones had no education or training in metal fatigue or failure, nor did he have any experience designing hydraulic cylinders. The district court admitted Jones's testimony over Benton Harbor's objection. The jury found that Benton Harbor was 20% responsible for the lift's failure. Benton Harbor appealed to the Third Circuit, arguing that the district court erroneously admitted Jones's testimony.